Welcome to a sim code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will write Python script to display segment addresses. To display the addresses of the segments in a PE file, you can use pfile, which can parse the PE file and extract segment, section, information. Load the PE file. Print basic information about the PE file. Iterate over all sections and display their name, virtual address, and size. Example usage. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a sim code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.